Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you a little bit about Goosechase. Goosechase is a fun little site where you can set up different scavenger hunts for your students. It's um it's free for a certain there's a reason because it's free. It set up teams, and for the free version you can only have 3 teams, but you have access to all the games and you have access to basically everything else. So if you are curious about purchasing it though, pricing's right here, and we'll go ahead and click it. And it tells you what the free version comes with and what the starter pack, professional, and enterprise. And the big thing that I see that's different is the fact that you can have up to 8 teams, and then you can go up to 20 teams, and then unlimited. That's what it's adding. But we're going to show you a little bit. We're going to go back to the home page. The home page, if you just hit Goosechase, brings you to this home page. Like I said, you can sign up for free. I'm already signed in. And then here is where you go to access all your games. So with Goosechase, you can create your own, but what's really cool is you can use other games that other teachers or anyone has ever created on Goosechase. So to get to those games, you're going to go to Solutions, and you're going to go down to K-12 Schools and Teachers. So it'll bring you to this page, and it's going, the game library is where you want to go. And it's going to bring you to all these different games. It's just a list of games. For example, here's Back to School, and this is a game you'd play at the beginning of the year, and it's a scavenger hunt to learn your classroom and learn the behaviors in the room and where different things are, their schedules, all right here. And you can view and copy the game for your personal games to use it. And I want to add to play this, your students they use an iPad or a smartphone if they're allowed to bring their own electronics to school. And also when you're skimming the games, if you're looking for something in particular or you want to limit what it's showing you, you can go here and it gives you kindergarten through 4th grade, 5th through 8th, 9th through 12th, and like staff building and professional development, so even our administrators can use and we can play the game. Field trips and so on. So because we're an elementary campus, I'm going to go ahead and just click kindergarten through 4th grade. So it's going to filter, and this one is for kindergarten and 4th grade. I already put this one in my game, so I'm not going to click that one. This one too, I added this vocabulary game. Here's a geometry game. Another geometry. So, and it gives you a little description right here. Designed to accompany a geometry unit, this game challenges students to find different examples of geometric shapes in the real world, designed to be completed individually. So, let's check this one out. So, it shows you what each challenge is that the student has to do. So this one would be identify what type of lines are shown on the picture. 2 possible answers. Okay, so this one is like they have to choose the answer. Some of them I'll show you an example where they have to upload a photo. So this one you'd use parallel lines, perpendicular lines, parallel and perpendicular lines. So if it's 2 possible answers, you choose the right 2 on their phone and they get the amount of points. But keep in mind, you also have to approve the child's answer. And so on the angle, and we choose a cute. So this one, here we go, where you have to upload a photo. So students or the group would have to find a right angle. So you would take a selfie with a right angle, and then they would upload the photo. And obviously, you have to approve if it's right so they get the points. So I kind of like this game, so I would just hit add game to my account. It takes a second, and I've caught that on my computer it goes to this white screen, but you can't see, but at the top I have it opened, and I just click and it takes me back to the main screen. And then I would go to my games, and there it is. So it just copied the geometry game. So we could click it, and it shows you what the person uploaded to create this game. And you have the missions, the participants, you can change it. And this one is individual players, so you only can have the 3, but 3 kids can play it at first or one day almost as a center or an anchor station, and then maybe you throughout the week a different 3 play it each day. Start and stop, it can be timed. Let's see, and this is 7 days, so that'd be good to rotate during an anchor station. So I'm going to go back to the home page, and remember, just hit Goosechase Game Manager, and show you also, and then go back to my games. Oh, actually, let me go back there, and you can click New Game. And so just like that, you would upload an image of whatever you want to show for your game. Give it a name, give a little description, a location. So you don't have to do this part, but it's just using like GPS and how the people can find the game and what they're looking for. A game password, and this password would be used when your students or when the people sign in. It's like restricted, they have to put in the password. So that's a little bit about Goosechase, and feel free, you can click around to explore, and this gives you your account, and if you need to log out or just go back to this main page. And it also tells you a little bit about how it works if you want to explain to your students too how the playing works. It talks about how you join a game once you log into your iPhone or Android apps. The first thing to do to join a game is just search for the name of the game within the app, and away you go, and you just join. And then you complete the different missions or challenges that are entailed in the game. And also the organizing of it. And this talks about creating the game. You can building it yourself, and talks about it. It's very detailed and very user-friendly. Alright, well, I'm happy I got to teach y'all a little bit about Goosechase today. Have a great day. Bye-bye.